Good morning, students. Let us solve the problem related to the series combination. So there are two questions given, two problems given. What is first one? That is A. Three resistors 1 ohm, 2 ohm and 3 ohm are combined in series. Means how they are connected here? They are connected in series. What is the resistance of the combination? Means we have to find the total resistance of the combination. Even total resistance is also called effective resistance. Then what is second question here? If the potential difference applied to the combination is 12 volt, to the combination how much potential difference is applied here? That is 12 volt. Obtain the potential drop across each resistor. Means we have to find the potential difference across each resistor, because in series combination applied potential difference divides. So let us solve this one. Now let us consider how many resistors are connected here. Three resistors. How they are connected here? They are connected in series. So let us consider there are three resistors. They are connected in series because they are combined in series. So while solving the problem, first read the question carefully. So whether they are connected in series or whether they are connected in parallel. But how they are connected here? They are connected in series. Now this combination is connected to a battery of potential difference. How much? That is 12 volt. And there is a key. Then what is the resistance of first resistor? That is R1. R1 is equal to how much here? 1 ohm. And resistance of second resistor R2, that is how much? 2 ohm. And resistance of third resistor, that is 3 ohm. Okay. So already you know this answer. That is how much? 6 ohm. Because they are connected in series. How to find the total resistance in the series combination? By taking the sum of individual resistances. So according to first question here, what is the potential difference applied? That is very important. That is how much? 12 volt, and it is a key, and there is a flow of current. Next, according to first question, so first we have to write the given resistances. So first one, R1 is how much? 1 ohm. R2 is how much? 2 ohm. And R3 is how much? 3 ohm. 3 ohm. Then what is the resistance of the combination? The resistance of the combination is, and it is also called effective resistance. Effective resistance of the combination is what is the formula for effective resistance of the combination? So how many resistors connected here? 3 resistors now. So what is the formula to find the effective resistance in series combination? That is RS is equal to, so here S stands for series combination. RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. If there are two resistors, we have to take RS equal to R1 plus R2. Then substitute the values. What is R1? 1 ohm. What is R2? 2 ohm. And what is R3? 3 ohm. So 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Then what is the resistance of the combination? That is 6 ohm. It is the solution for first question. Okay, in the given problem, there are two sub questions here. Then what is the solution for second sub question here? We are going to solve the second sub question. So what we have to find here? Potential drop across each resistor. So V1, V2 and V3 we have to find. In series combination, what is said? Current is said. And what divides here? Potential difference. So means we have to find the potential drop across each resistor. So first we have to find the current in the combination. So what is the current in the combination now? How much current flowing through these three resistors in series? That much current flowing through the 6 ohm resistance. Because total resistance of these three resistors is how much? 6 ohm. Then how much current flowing through these three resistors in series? That much current flowing through this single resistance, that is how much? 6 ohm. When how much potential difference is applied? 12 volt potential difference is applied. If 12 volt potential difference is applied, if 12 volt potential difference is applied, then the current in the combination. To find the potential difference, we need current. The current in the combination. The current in the combination is that is by using Ohm's law. V is equal to I into Rs. What is Rs here? It is the total resistance of the three resistors in series. Because how much current flowing through these three resistors in series, that much current flowing through 6 ohm resistance. Okay. So V is equal to I into Rs. V is equal to I into Rs. Then I is equal to V by Rs. So what is V here? What is V? V is the applied potential difference across the combination. That is how much? That is 12. Then what about resistance of these three resistors? Total resistance of these three resistors, that is 6 ohm. So 12 by 6, that is 2. It is 2 ampere. So how much current flowing through the combination here? How much current flowing in the combination here? That is 2 ampere. So the current flowing through 6 ohm is 2 ampere. The current flowing through these three resistors in series is also 2 ampere. Then first one, we are going to find PD across R1. PD means here this potential difference is dropped across each resistor, means divides across each resistor. So PD across R1, what is that? V is equal to I into R1. Sorry, V1 is equal to I into R1. What is I here? I is how much? 2. R1 is how much? 1. That is 2 into 1. It is 2 volt. Because what is the unit of potential difference? That is volt. Then next, PD across means potential drop across R2. That is V2 is equal to I into R2. That is how much? I is how much? 2. R2 is how much? 2. 2 into 2. 4. It is 4 volt. And similarly, potential difference across R3. PD across R3. Then that is V3 is equal to I into R3. Because current through R1, current through R2, current through R3, that is 2 ampere only, because in series combination what is same? Current is same. I is 2. 2 into 3, that is 6 volt. So what is the potential difference or potential drop across the first resistor? 2 volt. Potential drop across the second resistor? 4 volt. Potential drop across the third resistor, that is 6 volt. So by adding all potential drops, we will get 12 volt. Then only the answer is correct. Otherwise, it is wrong. Okay. So see here, 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. Then how much potential difference is applied? 12 volt. Okay. So this is about the solution of the given problem.